to show you a picture of Leonardo da Vinci's second water shoe. This is the second water shoe. And you see it's longer and it's a little more sophisticated. It looks kind of like a large snow ski, a water ski. And we got a different kind of pole, more or less, I think he used 2 poles, more or less a ski kind of pole. Pole didn't hold him up, the shoes held him up. And this is generally what I use. 1 pole or 2 poles. The shoes hold me up, the skis don't hold me up. They're wide, flat skis, and they got enough buoyancy and they hold me up. And you could see that. So what we got a leather water shoe. And I use inflatable water shoes also. When I walked across the English Channel, I use inflatable water shoes. Why? Because trains, planes, and automobiles, you can't get a large thing. You know, you have to get something that you can, you know, that can be compressed down. So here we are. Now, you can't see that well, but you see the kid over there. It's one of Leonardo's water shoes in the museum. And you see his foot inside, and it looks more like a kind of gondola. You know, it's a little more sophisticated. And when we look at water shoes, you know, we have to look at a timeline, because if you ain't careful, you know, say, well, this is a water shoe, yeah, but the thing is, it's a little bit different. Depending on the timeline, the sophistication, they've made it better. It made it better. You look at a Ford car, okay, this 1902 or 1920, whenever the first Fords came out, they looked like this, but then you go 2011, the car don't even look nothing like that. Yeah, but it's still a car, you know, and you have to understand the timeline. Okay, this is a movement. This is a movement. At the top, we have, we've tried to draw a regular snowshoe. It's a regular snowshoe that you're familiar with. It's a regular snowshoe at the top. And you see that. We'll come in a little bit. Okay, this is a regular snowshoe. Now, what we've done here, below here, we put some leather, a hide over the snowshoe and put straw in it. So now the regular snowshoe, put some leather around it, put some straw in it, now it floats. So I could take my regular and the Chinese, the Japanese, the Koreans, you know, in this area, up in the snow area, you know, modified the snow ski up to a more sophisticated level. Now the thing floats. So now I'm walking along. If I accidentally find myself out in the middle of a lake someplace or another, you know, I'm in good shape. Why? Because you know, the ice cracked, now I'm floating. You know, or I step off into something. It's covered with snow. I don't see what's going on. I step off into something. If it's water, the thing floats, and you can see that.